Hi, we're at Cambridge Wireless today. I've been talking to Farrukh from Spresense. Farrukh, what are the questions that have been asked about the Spresense product?
Right. So the questions that people have mostly asked about the Spresense product is that where can this product be used? For example, which application are we targeting, and what is really the core advantage of this product? And so we explained to customers that actually, although this board is similar to Raspberry Pi in the sense that people can easily develop applications, but we're not necessarily competing with Raspberry Pi. It's different applications. This is more dedicated for edge computing, for IoT, where you require very low power consumption, yet high processing power. The product itself comes in a family of 3 different kits. So the main board, which is quite independent itself, it has a multi-core processor and also a built-in GNSS, so for location-based tracking. And then there's another board which is the extension board, which is Arduino compliant, so customers can actually build their own applications by buying Arduino shields on top. And then we have the camera board, which of course can be used for real-time tracking or object identification. So that's what we are explaining to the customers and encouraging use cases such as real-time tracking of devices, predictive maintenance, or even somehow predictive maintenance.